in a bold and unprecedented move. East Sepik Governor Han Allan has taken the Marape-led government to the Supreme Court, challenging a constitutional amendment he claims threatens the very core of Papua New Guinea's democracy. At the heart of the dispute lies a new provision, an 18-month grace period that shields the Prime Minister from votes of no confidence if an earlier motion fails. A legal challenge with national consequences. Governor Bird, known for his measured leadership and commitment to democratic governance, has filed a Supreme Court reference under Section 18 of the Constitution. He is seeking clarity, and ultimately, the invalidation, of the March 2025 amendment to Section 145(5), which limits Parliament's ability to hold the executive accountable through repeat no-confidence votes. This is not a personal attack. It's about preserving the principles that have guided our nation since independence, said Governor Bird in a public statement. Our Constitution is not a tool for political survival. It is the foundation of public trust. A question of constitutional integrity. Bird's application argues that the amendment undermines several key constitutional provisions. Section 50, safeguarding political participation and rights. Section 111, protecting parliamentary authority and representation. Section 114, ensuring MPs' right to vote freely. Section 115, upholding freedom of debate in Parliament. Section 141, which binds the executive to parliamentary accountability. He draws support from landmark legal precedents, including the Fly River PEC reference and Nama v. O'Neill, reinforcing that constitutional amendments cannot contradict or override fundamental principles enshrined in the supreme law of the land. Not just politics. A matter of principle. This challenge comes amid growing public concern over recurring attempts by ruling governments to alter constitutional safeguards in their favor. Critics argue that the grace period weakens checks and balances, effectively insulating the Prime Minister from parliamentary scrutiny. This amendment is a constitutional time bomb, Bird warned. If we do not stop this now, future leaders may find it even easier to erode our democracy bit by bit. Next steps. The case is expected to draw nationwide attention as it moves through the judiciary, with significant implications for the balance of power in PNG's governance system. Opposition parties have expressed their support for Bird's legal stand, describing it as a courageous act in defense of the nation's constitutional integrity. As the legal battle unfolds, Papua New Guineans wait to see whether the highest court in the land will uphold the challenge, and in doing so, reaffirm the power of the people over political expedience.